See, now you are seeing the टॅली मेन स्क्रीन. दिसते का स्क्रीन सगळ्यांना टॅलीची?
हो सर.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us start how the
Yes,
interstate
sir.
purchase under GST, how it can be done. Let us take the example of V Traders Delhi purchases 1000 coir mattress. मॅट्रेस किंवा मॅट हे परचेस करतं आहे फ्रॉम विघ्नेश ट्रेडर्स at the rate of 155 mattresses plus 80% GST from Vignesh Traders, Tamil Nadu on 1st December 2020 or 1st April 2020. For intrastate transaction apart from above we need to new ledgers. आता आपल्याला इथे लेजर्स कुठले कुठले बनवायला लागणार आहे? क्रिएट सप्लायर लेजर. सो गो टू द अकाउंट इन्फॉर्मेशन to create the ledger. Go to the ledger and let us create the ledger as Vignesh Traders. Vignesh Traders मधून आपल्याला काय घ्यायचं आहे? मॅट्रेस घ्यायचे आहे. तो आपला सप्लायर आहे. क्रिएट Vignesh Traders. एंटर. देन सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स. हे तुम्हाला माहीत पाहिजे. आता अकाउंट शिकतायत तुम्ही लोक. कुठला सिलेक्ट करायचा ग्रुप ते तुम्हाला माहीत पाहिजे. एंटर. एंटर. विघ्नेश ट्रेडर्स तामिळनाडू. ओके. सो लेट अस पुट द एड्रेस एज 24, अन्ना पिल्लई स्ट्रीट, चेन्नई. कंट्री इंडिया, तमिलनाडु स्टेट. एंटर. एंटर. सेट अल्टर GST खाली येईल तो. GST नंबर जो काय असेल तो. सेट अल्टर GST डिटेल येस. पुट द GST डिटेल एस. ओके. सो हियर वी हैव क्रिएटेड द सप्लायर लेजर Vignesh Traders in this way. Let us come out of this screen. Yes. Move to the another ledger. Create IGST ledger. Means intrastate. Intrastate means we have to create for this purpose IGST ledger. IGST where? Yes, it is. We have created in our last topic IGST under duties and taxes, GST integrated tax, percentage of calculation, %. Enter. Accept. Enter. Then purchase ledger creation for interstate purchase voucher entry. Now we are going to create purchase ledger for IGST. Create purchase IGST. under which purchase account, Is GST applicable? Applicable. Set alter GST. No need. Supply of goods, not services. Enter, 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 enter. Accept. Here purchase IGST ledger we have created. So now let us come to our main topic, how to enter the interstate purchase voucher. Escape from this menu, escape, come to the gateway of Tally accounting vouchers. Okay, purchases, purchase, where it is, from the menu F9, purchase. Okay, supplier invoice number, sorry, purchase Vignesh, date 1st April, party name Vignesh Traders. Enter, 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 enter. Purchase ledger, purchase IGST, selected, mattress. So here we have to create mattress. Okay, so come out of this menu, create inventory, stock item, create units, numbers. Pieces, sorry, create COR mattress. Under primary numbers, GST applicable, yes. Set alter GST, yes. Goods, on value, taxability, taxable 18%, goods, enter, 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 sorry, numbers, yes. Here we have created the item. Now directly go to the main menu of accounting vouchers. Here supplier invoice number, sales, sorry, purchase, okay, purchase Vignesh, enter, enter simply, purchase IGST, Coir mattress, quantity 1000, rate per mattress 155, 155 ला 1,55,000. Now purchase IGST, sorry, only IGST 27,900 integrated food service tax, it is calculated, total is calculated here, total bill 1,82,900. okay, so here we have completed interstate purchase, accept yes. So let us create interstate sales ledger. इथपर्यंत सगळ्यांना समजलं असेल, व्हिडिओ बघत राहायचा नेहमी. सो हाऊ इंटरस्टेट सेल्स लेजर कॅन बी क्रिएटेड. सो क्रिएट द लेजर ॲज इंटरस्टेट सेल्स. लेजर क्रिएट interstate sales. Sales at 18% of GST. Enter. Under group sales account, yes, GST applicable is set under GST, no need. Goods not applicable. Accept yes. Here sales account we have created interstate sales, then John and Company. Next ledger for John and Company. Sundry debtors, John and Company, Karnataka. Accept. Here John and Company, sundry debtors we have created. Now let us come to our main part, entering the sales transaction. Accounting voucher, sales F8, reference sales John 567, parties account John and Company. Enter. Sales ledger, interstate sales at 18%. Okay. Name of atom, we have to put here atom as Dell Computers, or Sony. Quantity, we have to put here quantity 6 numbers, 55,000 per, then IGST we have to put here. IGST at 18%, 59,400. Total bill will comes for 6 Sony laptop is 3,89,400. Enter, 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 enter. Yes, accept. In this way we have entered here interstate purchase as well as sales.